Hi friends! Today we are going to be making homemade finger paint. Inside of your supply bag, you were given a plastic bag, and in that plastic bag, you had another bag that had 2 cups of flour. You're going to take those 2 cups of flour and you're going to put it in a bowl, just like this. You're going to need some salt, and you're also going to need some water, a total of 4.5 cups of water. What I've done next is I've taken 2 of those cups of water and I have brought it to a boil like you can see here. So I am boiling 2 cups of water and I've added 2 cups of flour in my bowl. The next step is taking some salt, and you are going to pour 2 teaspoons of salt into the flour mixture. So 1 and 2. You can put your salt away now. Then you're just going to mix up the salt and the flour so it's combined together. Now remember, I said that you needed a total of 4.5 cups of water. 2 cups are boiling, and the 2.5 cups are inside of my measuring cup, cold water. So again, you want 2.5 cups of cold water, and you're going to put it into this bowl here. And then you're going to let that continue to boil. Next, you're going to mix it. I'm going to grab a spoon. We're going to mix this all together. It's going to be a little clumpy, and that's okay. You just want to mix it all. It's going to start to become maybe a little thick, watery. And you're going to mix. And then after you've mixed all of your mixture, you are going to pour this mixture into the boiling water and keep mixing it. You are going to see some clumps in here, as you can see on my spoon, and that's okay. You just want to keep stirring it until it becomes smooth. Once you've transferred your mixture to your boiling water, you're going to keep mixing until it's smooth and thick. Once that's done, you're going to shut off your heat, and then you're going to take some cups and you're going to pour the mixture into the cups and then add some food coloring. When you add food coloring, only put a drop in each cup. Again, we're making paint, so you want to use 1 color for each cup. So a red, a blue, a green, a yellow, so that each cup has a different color. If you put 1 drop of food coloring, it's going to be light. If you want your if you want your paint to be darker, you have to add a couple more drops. But do not squeeze the food coloring in all of it, because that will create a real big mess. Only a little bit. So I'm gonna mix this, and then I'm going to transfer my mixture into the water. Let's see if you can see this. I'm gonna carefully put the mixture into the stove. Just like that. And I'll bring you over so you can see. So I'm going to take my spoon and I'm just going to keep mixing it until it becomes thick and the clumps are out. Now remember, this is hot, so you do not want your children to be near the fire on the stove. So you want to make sure that you are in control of this activity and that you are doing the pouring of the boiling water and the mixing of it as well. So I'm going to continue to mix this, and this might take a couple of minutes to do, but you can already tell that the mixture is getting thicker. Now this might take about 5 minutes. It all depends on how quick it thickens up on your stove. Again, once this is complete, you will then take some cups or some containers, because you want to make sure you have some lids on your container so you can save your paint. And then you're going to take this mixture and then you're going to pour it into individual cups. And then from there, that's when you're going to add your food coloring.